We kinda out here. The fog is up. It's super windy out. It's sunny but windy, so we eating raw chicken inside today. Once again. Day 26. Out here eating raw chicken and doing my favorite pastime. Wondering what the fuck. Everything sucks so much today. They don't really. There's a lot of great things going on, amazing things. But also a lot of fucked up things too. The society kinda sucks. Today I was wondering about the trauma, which is a big one and a hard one. The childhood trauma. All we want as a children is love. We just want that good old love. But sadly, most children's environment they grew up is kinda fucked up. Why is that? Because in a bigger sense, most people are fucked up. And why is that? Because our society is kinda fucked up. We live very unnaturally. The theory here is that if we would live more naturally, how human beings are supposed to live, we would feel natural. We would have meaning. We would be happy. That's what everybody wants. But we have gone so far away from that over many years, and it has gotten so much worse in the last 100 or so. Sorry buddy, everything kinda sucks, although there's a lot of good things too. But the childhood trauma, it happens to so many of us, and it is so injuring. How do you fix that? There's obviously different levels. The little things, we probably can overcome them as a child. Maybe they leave little mark in us, little quirk in our personality. It kinda sucks, maybe. But when you get the bigger stuff, and the shitty thing about it is, when you are a child and this thing happens to you, it causes massive trauma, just massive unloving event, or events, even worse. When that happens to you as a child, you cannot do anything about it. You cannot protect yourself probably from it. You don't know how to handle it, like that at all, in a emotional or spiritual or logical level, because you're a child. You just want to have good times and feel love, play. So when that happens, it will leave a big scar that, I think, will affect you rest of your life. And that is not fun. I was wondering, can can you really overcome it? Like actually overcome it? Like it doesn't bother you at all anymore. Reach enlightenment from it. Or will it always haunt you? Most people go to therapy. That seems to be a kind of big agenda going on. Go talk to someone. I mean that can be good. When you talk about many things that are troubling you, someone you love, or therapist. You don't probably love your therapist. But in nature you would talk about it in your family, friends. That seems to be kinda hard also today for many. Because your family probably caused that trauma. Oh yeah. But maybe that's how you overcome it. At least the best you can. If your family members caused the trauma, you should talk about it with them and get some sort of peace. But even then, it would probably still haunt you, I would think. I don't think just nutrition, which is a big point here. My ideas, I don't think only nutrition can heal those big childhood traumas. I mean, it can help a lot if your biochemical state is somewhat natural from the food you eat. But you can change your biochemical state with this thing here, or this thing with the heart, and that where the trauma hurts. You just start to think about bad things, and suddenly you feel like shit. You're in your head. But definitely, when you eat better, it's easier to be in the paradise. Harder to fall in the hell. But it can still happen. Shit can still happen. What is the best way to overcome those? That is a hard one. You better start reading Carl Jung or some Dashi. And even that might not be enough. The real answer is, how do we stop that happening? And that is to change pretty much everybody out here. Change the whole system. Change how people live their lives. Because happy people don't do as many fucked up things to other happy people, at least. Still, people always make mistakes. Can't protect everything. It's a hard reality out there. Can't be with your blue pill eyes. Even I got those blue eyes. A little greenish. Here's one more weird thought. Like Scandinavian people that I am are usually very like optimistic, I would say, in nature, and kind of peaceful as well, is the blue eyes. We got that natural blue bill. I definitely have that. I always assume the best. And shit. Anyways, fried chicken day 26. Another good one. See ya.